I am excited that at the end of this conference, yesterday, as the CS National Treasury rolled out the first budget of the Kenya Kwanza government in Parliament, you know, some people have been poking holes in our agenda in matters economy and budget, and it's because we are ignorant. Since we came to office on 13th of September, the budget that we were utilizing was not ours, and hence we take no responsibility for its shortcomings or otherwise. That budget belonged to the handshake regime. Our budget was rolled out yesterday. That is the Kenya Kwanza first budget, and we want to be held to account on its implementation. And there was a very good coincidence yesterday as we rolled out the first budget of the Kenya Kwanza administration. Very good news came from Washington. The World Bank has approved approximately 45 billion Kenya shillings to support 77 municipalities in 45 counties and 2 special municipalities for refugees in Kakuma and Dadaab. And the irony of that announcement from Washington is that as a world and international institutions acknowledge the importance of urbanization, slum upgrading, and affordable housing, characters here in this country are opposed to the same. That is the irony. You know, international institutions, very credible institutions, the entire world is saying the future is urban. Let's do slum upgrading. Let's have affordable housing to dignify the people of Kenya, to give them access to clean water, to sanitation, and all the other things that dignify a human being.